Did you know you could be making anywhere from $30 to $200 a day just by using Canva and a little bit of AI magic? It sounds crazy, but stick with me and I'll show you exactly how it's done, step by step. This method is perfect for beginners and doesn't require any special skills. First things first, what are we actually going to sell? We're going to create and sell custom digital art, specifically for kids' rooms. Parents are always looking for unique and cute decorations, and this is a huge market. We'll be making things like adorable animal portraits and personalized name art. So, how do we start? We need ideas. Head over to an AI image generator. There are many great free ones out there like Leonardo AI or Midjourney's free trial. Now, here's the key, the prompt. You need to be specific. Let's say we want to create a cute baby lion. A good prompt would be something like, cute baby lion cub, nursery art, soft pastel colors, watercolor style, on a white background. The more detail you give the AI, the better the result will be. Try different animals, styles, and colors. Generate a bunch of images until you have a collection you love. Think about what a parent would want to hang on their child's wall. Once you have your amazing AI-generated images, it's time to bring them into Canva. If you don't have Canva Pro, don't worry. The free version works just fine for this. Create a new design, maybe a standard poster size like 18 by 24 inches. Now, upload your AI art into Canva. Here's where we add that personal touch that makes people want to buy. Let's say you have that cute lion cub. Use Canva's text tool to add a name. You can write something like Leo the Lion, or even better, you can let customers personalize it with their own child's name. Choose a playful, kid-friendly font. Canva has tons of them. You can also add other small elements, like stars, clouds, or a nice border to make it even more special. The goal is to turn a simple AI image into a unique piece of art. You can create sets of 3 matching prints, like a lion, an elephant, and a giraffe, all in the same style. These bundles sell really well. Once you're happy with your design, you need to save it. Download it as a high-quality PDF print file. This ensures that when the customer prints it, it looks sharp and professional. Now for the most important part, where do you sell these? Etsy is the perfect platform for this. It's a huge marketplace for handmade and digital goods. Create a new Etsy shop if you don't have one. It's pretty straightforward. When you list your product, you'll need to create mock-ups. A mock-up is just a picture that shows what your art looks like in a real-life setting, like hanging in a frame on a nursery wall. You don't need to print and photograph anything yourself. Just go back to Canva, search for nursery wall mockup, and you'll find plenty of templates. Place your design into the mockup template, and boom, you have a professional-looking product photo. When you create your Etsy listing, make sure your title and description are clear. Use keywords that parents would search for, like nursery wall art, custom name print, safari animal decor, or baby shower gift. In the description, explain that this is a digital download, so they receive the file instantly after purchase. Price your art competitively. Check out what other sellers are charging. A good starting point is around $5 to $15 per design, or a bit more for a set of 3. And that's it. The beauty of selling digital products is that you create it once, and you can sell it over and over again. There's no shipping, no inventory, just pure profit after the initial work. As orders come in, you'll see how a little bit of creativity with Canva and AI can turn into a real side income. It's all about finding a niche, creating quality designs, and presenting them professionally. So, give it a try. Start playing with AI image generators. Get creative in Canva, and set up your own Etsy shop. You might be surprised at how much you can make. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.